How many of you made money already this morning? If you made money, put dollar signs in the chat. Okay, if you made money, put dollar signs in the chat. If you haven't made money, put none. All right, just put no on the chat. We're here for a reason, so it's always good to make the reason so simple and plain. Made money. Okay, good. So before I even get to share my screen, okay, so let me see. None. Okay, none of you have made money today. If you haven't made money today, put I've not made money today. If you have made money with us, put I've made money with us. All right. I've made money. Just put I've made money. Put dollar signs on the chat. Okay. Because if you have not made money, the question is, are you ready to make money on this session? So if you have not made money, put none on the chat. If you have made money, put money on the chat. Because before we came on this session, we have made money. I've made money this morning. All right. And I believe I'm still going to make money. But if you have not made money, then I think I really need to help that before I even get into the session. Because why? If I've given you one of the simplest opportunities to earn money, this is actually harder than the opportunity that I've given you to earn money today. What we're about doing is harder than the opportunity that I've given you to earn money today. So if you haven't made money with the simplest opportunity, how am I sure you're going to make money with this? So can you tell me why you haven't made money this morning? What's your reason you didn't make money with us this morning? Okay, put it on the chat. And whilst you're coming in, if you're coming in on the chat, I need that energy on the chat. We are live and ready to learn. It's only 5 of you. I can see, I just saw it right now. Okay, only 5 of you posted we are live and ready to learn. The question is the rest of you, am I your coach? Or you're coaching yourself? So the rest of you go put it on the group that we're live and ready to learn. Okay. Messi, Robert, Olin, King. Only 4 of you. Why? The question is why? Okay. So every one of you on this chat right now, go on the Telegram group on the post we are live, put we are live and ready to learn. The first step to see being successful, change your energy, change the way you take instruction. That is what you see one thing about instruction. You don't pay attention to it, you miss a lot. Some of you are putting on a chat right now that you have not earned because you don't follow instructions. You can't learn if you do not follow instructions. Okay, so every one of you right now, every one of you, I can start calling names. I'm a very practical person. Made money today. I don't have to do this anyway. You guys now don't have to do this. But there are still opportunities into the money market. So every one of you, go. Okay, you know what? Stay muted. Stay non-compliant. Let me care less at this moment. All right. So only Jude. Okay, so let me ask you, Jude. I just want to ask you first. All right. How did you get to make money this morning? What did you do to make money this morning? Just unmute yourself and just tell us. Unmute yourself and just tell us.
Good morning, boss.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, I just only copy and paste and follow the instruction.
On the trade that was sent this morning, all right?
Yeah, I was saying the German 40 that was this morning.
Was it difficult?
No, it wasn't difficult.
Okay. The money you made, did you appreciate it?
I really appreciate it. Every day, I always look on to for the signals to come in every morning.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, boss. Yeah.
So the rest of you who didn't make money, what was the reason you didn't make money? Okay, edit has a reason. I have a counter reason anyway. I have a counter to that. Okay, I was not connected. Okay. The trade actually came in multiple phases. The first one came, another entry came, another timeline, another entry came. And I could tell you why some of you are missing out on this opportunity. A couple of reasons. How many of you are ready to trade now? You're with me right now. You're ready to trade. Who trade on the chat? So I was prepping my child for school. I was taking my child to school. In fact, we were all, I'm in the same league. All right. Okay. I'm in the same league. I was driving when I took the trade. I was in the car. Okay. Okay. I was just about taking my son. Okay. We were about getting into the car when I took the trade. Okay. My brother-in-law actually took the trade while we were in the car. See, copy and paste have no excuse. I think there's something that you guys are missing out on. Okay. And if you guys don't pay attention to what you ought to pay attention to, because the truth is what pays you is your level of attention. Okay. You see, where the treasure of a king is, his heart is there. Your heart, what you believe in, you'd have time for. If you have any level of uninterest, there is not going to be a possibility of interest. If you're uninterested, you cannot make interest when you're uninterested. Okay. Every 7 a.m., before 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., mostly 7 a.m., 6:30 to 7 a.m., German 30 trades always coming. So if this is typical of tradition, it means, how many of you are here right now? Let me give you guys an insight. How many of you are here right now? Your Telegram is on prior notification on 1,000 Bank Expert Academy or the expert chat. Put 5 on the chat. It's on prior notification. If you don't, just put 0. If you don't have it on prior notification, put 0. Okay. Because if this is making you money, what is making you money, your attention is always going to be there. Guess what? I don't have to put a notification on my phone. Okay. I know. Like there is no 15-minute timeline, no matter what I am doing, except I'm driving. No matter what I'm doing, there's no 15-minute timeline that I don't get to look at my head notification on my phone. I just look at I just pop my notification down and look if I see 1,000 banks or if I see activity. I don't. Why? I know something is happening there. My treasure is there. Aside the fact that I was sending you guys trades, we're also paying attention. Are you guys following me? Okay, so I'm just giving you guys the keys. You can be in this environment and not get the benefit of what is happening in this environment. And the truth is not us. We can't just keep giving that value if you cannot educate you on how to get benefit of this value. All right. Some people have made $500. Some people have made $1,000 in the course of this week. Some people have made $50, $100. The question is, what have you made? How have you made money? And what are you doing to make money? Okay. It is very, very important that you change your ways. If you don't change your ways won't change. Okay. Very, very important. So money is to be made every day, at least multiple times in a week. All right. Are you ready to make money? Okay. Please, how can I set mine on prior? Just go. If you click on Telegram, okay, I think if you pin the chat, just like you set pin the chat and make sure where is the settings? Okay, let me not do that now right now. Just one thing I do is if because of time, okay, how to put notification. Just go on YouTube, how to put prior notification on Telegram. Get it quickly. Simple. Set it. Okay. And make sure what you guys do on the manual note, every 15 minutes, get to look at what's happening. Just make it an attitude. Okay. Make it an attitude. How you do anything is how you do everything. Stop paying attention to things that are not paying attention to your finances. Pay attention to things that would elevate your finances. Okay. Just doing that will change you. Okay. Beautiful. So how many How many of you, so let me give you guys an insight. Another thing about trading, when I say follow instruction, be big on instruction. So I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, when I say you made money this morning, some of you only made money on US30. How many of you made money on Euro USD yesterday? I called an Euro USD trade yesterday. You made money, put money on the chat. That's the copy and paste. I analyzed it on the live session, and I told you guys this market was going to buy. All right. Where is this? Okay, put dollar signs on the chat. Okay. And guess what? It didn't disappoint. Another thing I told you guys that I was going to buy, if you guys are following instructions from Monday that I did my analysis, I told you gold was going to buy at this point in time. The question is, how many of you got in on gold? I already made money on gold. I made money yesterday. No, okay, I actually woke up to see the money I made yesterday on the trade that I took. You made money on gold, right? That's beautiful. Okay, and this just got started. I'm still on gold. I actually buy gold into tomorrow. In between today and tomorrow, I'm gonna find another position and make sure I buy. I always buy gold into Friday. All right, this is all. It's because of the FOMC. I closed some of the positions yesterday. I didn't, because of the FOMC meeting. I wasn't sure what the market was gonna do, so I didn't really. Normally, I would have left positions to run because this is the swing. Okay, I only got the intraday position. Okay, so something else that can happen on gold right now. Let me just give you guys a scope. Made money from EU. Beautiful. So this is the next opportunity I'm looking out for. This is my trade idea. I'm just giving it to you guys quick and sound. This is the next opportunity I'm waiting on gold. All right, gold comes into this area, I'll be blessed to take it up. Okay, so that is an area of entry on gold. It's a swing trade, actually. This is not a scalp. It's a swing idea. Okay, and it even goes beyond what I'm looking at right now. Let's see. So this is it. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, it's okay there. Okay. So if market comes into this area, you can drop an alarm there. That would be another position for you guys to get in on gold. It may not get there, it may get there, but let me see what is happening here. Yeah. So this is the best consolidation we have. Another thing that can happen on gold is that it may peak from here and go back. So there was a position here. Okay, it may peak from here. Okay, that's a possibility. Let me see what it is on the 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. The truth is the market should be buying. If it's not buying from now, it will come down to this position. Around this area, this is a consolidation area. Market on a short time frame should be buying. Okay, whenever it breaks, okay, it should be buying. This is a retest. Market should be buying on the 5 minutes. Okay. But this is for people, okay, people like Luke Longmire. All right, this is how he actually takes his position. Okay, getting in on the market right now. These are scalp positions. Yeah, I don't like. I really don't know how to. Okay, getting in on the market and taking one-to-one. These are just, yeah. So this is a scalp position on gold. Like getting in now on gold on the scalp position, losing a stop loss. Yeah. All right. So one-to-one. But I'm not taking this. I'm just trying to show you guys different positions on gold. This is actually where I'm waiting on gold. I feel there's going to be a retracement. So on the 5 minute, this is a position. Okay, I'm not that type of trader, but that doesn't mean there's no position here right now. It's closing really fine. It retested this previous level, broke above. So market should be buying. I think I took a position for a buy somewhere around here. Let's see. Okay. So if you Now, I didn't take this position because of this cap I'm showing you. I took the position because of the entry into Friday. So I just took a smart position. And for those of you, I really want to say something about this beautiful broker. Okay, I just did a test run this morning on the FX Lab, and I can tell you there's so many advantages, you guys. So I'm on gold right now. If you guys see this, I'm on gold. Okay, very beautiful to use. You can set your trades. So I got into, you can see where I got in. You can set your trades. You can put trailing stop. You can modify your trades on trading view here right now. Okay. Funny enough, there's a coincidence on this trade. So I'm here, I put my stop. Here I put my stop loss. So it's not where I gave you guys that I put my stop loss. I'm on, and you can set trailing stop loss. Imagine you don't have to use your MT for now. You can set trailing stop loss as your trades are moving. You just set trailing stop loss. Okay, from here. Okay, getting in on a trade is quite very beautiful. You set a buy. So let's say I want to buy gold. I set a buy. Okay. I put how much? I could set stop loss, set take profit from here. Okay. And I could just set the amount. I put it up there. I want to lose up.
Oh, Jesus.
So I'm just giving you guys a detail of how. So I could put, oh, I want to lose $50. That's how many percent? Okay. Depending on the account you have. Okay. So automatically what it does, okay, so let's say I'm using 0.01. Just so you can see automatically tells you the area, all right, it will get in on that trade. Okay, tells you. I want to do something quickly. Yeah, so you can put your take profit area. You can edit it manually. You can put the amount. Okay, so if I want to make $100, it automatically. So I just love the beauty. You know, if I want to make $100, it just tells me, just put it automatically. If I want to risk. So for those of you who don't, you're so particular about your money, the money value, you could just put the money here, or you just put the area given. So if an area is given, you just put the area to tell you how much. So automatically it calculates. So let's say I put a certain so let's say I want to put a stop loss of 2. Let's say this stop loss is around here, 2617. So I type 2617 here. 2617. And I'm using a 0.02. Guess what? It automatically tells me I'm going to lose $65. So if that's not okay by me, I'm just gonna modify it. So $32. So you see how beautiful you can modify your trade in sight before you even take them. Are you guys following? Put 5 on the chat if you guys are following. Very beautiful. And guess what? The moment you place the trade, okay, so let's say you place the trade. I just placed another trade right now, okay? And you want to, so I'll close this, and you want to edit the trade. I want to use trade. This is one of the beautiful things. This has solved a lot of problem for me because I use my phone to trade, and I'm using an Apple device. Now, Apple does not give me an opportunity. So I will, whenever I want to do trailing stuff, I would always have to go log in on my MetaTrader 5 on my Windows and set my trailing. You see the huge benefit this broker has actually given me, because now from my trades from this platform, I get to set trailing. So I could say, oh, every 50 points, okay, move in profit. So I could do 100. What that means, you're going to see a purple line. Can you see this purple line? As the trade is going up, this line is going up automatically. So I don't even have to set a take profit. Now that I know that my trade is going to buy into Friday, I could just leave this market to keep moving into Friday. It is making sense. Put sense on the chart. Okay. Very beautiful to use. Risk managed, you know, and the pips are very like this. What I call it, the spread are very beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I just decided to, you know, want to show you guys this interface, and it's going to be good for everyone. You know, analyzing your chart and trading within the chart, it just makes it all beautiful. Okay, so gold is there. So if you guys want to use this stop loss, that's fine. I'm not this kind of guy. I always love to put my stop loss below the low. Okay, so you guys could use this stop loss. If you're buying this area right now, if you're buying with me, okay, put your profit. Okay, so that's good. Let me move into something else. USD JPY. Let's look at where you are. So I just want to give you guys forex position before I get into money in a minute and make some money. All right. So USD JPY, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Okay, let me do something quickly. I've made money from, yes. So this is daily. Okay. So we have a daily low here. Let's see what you're doing. Let's move into the hour. Let's see what you're doing. You really failed, guy. You fell. It's a strong level. It's a strong level, so strong level. But market overall is on premium. Market is on premium level. So these are premium level. So between this area and this area, just a moment. So between this level of liquidity to this level of liquidity, this is premium. So market is about to break into discount. Okay. So the sellers are still very valued in the market. And yeah, I know this is actually level. So it's either this market start going back up from here or eventually we're going to have a break. I'm not doing anything on USD JPY right now. I'm just trying to position myself to see. Eventually, we're going to have a break. All right. And market is going to drop. This is where I start looking for levels. Okay. So, yeah, that is on overall. So market could start buying from this area on a technical level. But if it doesn't, I want to watch out for break. So, Friday, I think Friday is we're going to be having a strong activity on Friday. But since market is on premium, my beat will be to look at for trade coming back to these levels of consolidation. So these are beautiful levels. Okay, so I do know, just like I'll tell you guys, I'll give you guys the position. If this market is going to break this area for a sell, it may want to price action to up here, then voila. Okay, this is something I'd really love to jump on. Okay, I'd love to jump on. Yeah, it's looking good. So Cambridge, does this mean this is gonna buy? Yeah, it's buy, but buy is not really my I'm not looking too good on the buy, okay, but I'm beautiful on the sell. So there are different sell areas. Okay, but let's just give you the levels of price action. So I'm gonna put an alarm here. I hope you guys are taking these levels down. Okay, so let me just so these are the two things that can happen overall. Okay. Yeah, when market breaks this area, retests this area on a strong level, like 4-hour candle, 1-hour, 4-hour candle, we're going to be seeing some good sales continuation. But it's already on momentum and it needs to exhaust. So if it exhausts, it's going to buy back up, continue. So you may want to buy to this level as well. Another level to watch out for is this level. So market comes into this level, may start reversing from here. So yeah, watch out. You guys watch out for this. So that's my position on USD JPY. If you have any question, you can actually type on the chat. So Euro USD. All right. So we made money yesterday on Euro USD. And I believe Euro USD just started a rebellious move. Where did I have that analysis? Yeah. So I told you guys that on the swing level, I'm already on Euro USD on a swing. I'm still on the trade for a swing. This is my stop loss level. And I believe, because why? I told you guys we're on a strong momentum level. So market came to this level of liquidity, mitigated and raided it, all right, backed up in, Okay, market just started off. So this was a confirmation on a technical, and that is why I'm in on the trade. So if you want to get in on the bullish run up, it's not too late too, but your stop loss is below. It means your stop loss is going to be more. All right. So I'm in on this trade because of this range level, and that is my swing level. So I gave you guys this trade on Monday. We've taken TP1, and we're also riding. That's well over a 1-to-5 ratio. I'm still on it. How many of you are still on EU? Put EU on the chat. All right, so can we get the parameters on gold? You mean these parameters, all the different parameters I gave? So I said these were the areas I'm waiting for on long run to pull up. Okay, so if you guys missed the first area already, okay, so we made money on gold, the first run. You guys missed it already. Okay, this is the second run. All right, this is the second run. So this is the second run, this is the second run. All right, so since market broke off this consolidation, a normal price action would be it coming to this level. That would be a good area to take this trade, put your stop loss below here. So I gave the trade. I'm going to copy this and put it on the Telegram channel. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, so 1-to-1 is hit already. If you took 1-to-1, trade is hit already. You can see how good is a stupid guy. Okay. Wait, did I set a position on? I'm supposed to set a TP on this guy. Let me edit that. No, I want to leave it. I did it. I did a trailing on it already. Okay, beautiful. Let's go back to this. So let's see. So you got way there. You got everything right. All right, beautiful. So I was on EU. Okay. So like I said, if EU is not also far from entry for the swing in, but if you're getting in now, it means you're using the longest stop loss. If you miss the ride, if you're getting in right now, probably almost up to over 100. That's over 134 pips. Okay. Except you want to use maybe this. So this 4450 is actually a level area, but this is still up to 100. But it's a swing. It means if you do this, this is 1-to-1. Okay, it's actually good. If you're doing this stop loss, this is about 82 pips. This is about 89 pips. That's 1-to-1. Okay, so you can do that. I'll just put it. It's a swing. Swing means you're protected here. You're more protected here. Okay, and you can start taking those levels. Does that make sense? So there's an active trade on EU again. We're still on it. All right, for the swing level, TP level is way up, well over, I believe, 400 pips. Yeah, almost 528 pips. That's my level projection on EU. Any question on that? So I already gave this trade on Monday. GBP USD, I believe is still making you guys money. I gave you guys an entry around here. How many of you are in GBP USD? It's well over 40 pips already, or 50 something pips, I guess. Okay, well over 80 pips already. So this was I told you guys this was an entry. Okay, we call this, you can see, and it's a swing trade. How many of you are in E? One position is already out anyway. So one position was here. Okay, that's TP1, and this is TP2 overall. This had, I think, 1-to-11 ratio. This is well over 543 pips. Yeah. So this is about, what's the ratio? Well, 1-to-10. So how many of you are in GU? Is any one of you in GU? No one is in GU. So, but these are the trades that I called on Monday. I called EU analyze and I called EU GU. These are live market analysis. Okay. And I told you guys I didn't really, I think gold again. Okay. I think I said something was gonna happen on gold. Yeah, I think I later called gold on the chat. So any questions so far? I only took EU on gold. All right, beautiful. I now called, so I've actually given you guys gold. I called 3. Yes, I know I called the 3. All right. And I've made money. The question is, if you're not making money to things. So do you have any question you want to ask me? Because the truth is, if you're on this session right now, I'm going to move into trading over the next 30-45 minutes. Okay. I'm going to move in trading binary options. Okay, let me even set up for binary options. But I want you guys to really ask me questions. Maybe there is someone here who want to ask a question. How can I take advantage? What am I missing out on? You could actually type your questions in the chat. Okay, let's see. JPY is strong, USD. Let's look for. So NZD USD is not going to be bullish. Let's see. Let's see. It's bullish on 1 hour, but not bullish on the daily. If it's bullish on 1 hour, it's going to be bullish on a 15 minutes. It's going to be bullish on a 5 minutes. So I guess we can take this guy for a bullish ride. Let's see what you got. So this is binary options. Means you already set up to make money in minutes. I'm going to take questions. Just ask me questions, because if you're here, you should be making money. But if you're not making money, there's something you don't understand. And it's only okay for you to ask questions when you don't understand. Questions, I really don't know what you're thinking. It is already moving up. Real levels are down. This guy's running away. Let's see if he's going to come back. He's already setting up, running away. Yeah, this way the levels to take. If it wasn't this level, okay, the next level was going to be this level. So these guys still have some time to go down. I'm going to be looking at the 826 to 846 area again for an entry. If he does that on timing, I won't hesitate. It comes into this area, all right, between the 826 to 851 area. I'm still going to drop an alarm here. On NZD USD, I'm going to buy for 5 minutes. Let me set up my broker so I don't get to miss out. The last session I missed my trade. So let me set up. NZD USD. Okay, I got you. Let's see if you're gonna come down. So I'm ready. I'm ready. My broker is ready. Let's see if you're gonna come down. Let's have fun. What else can we set up alongside NZD USD? Let's go look at CAD JPY. And these guys are dropping. This guy is good, but it's gonna take a while. But let's just set it up. It's gonna take a while. CAD JPY is beautiful. I'm gonna answer your question, guys. Let me just at least let's prep us for where we're gonna make money and we'll wait for it. Daily. This guy is gonna take a while. He's so far away from technical area, but we just set it up and wait for it. It's really on an active drop now. It's having an active drop, but it's creating beautiful levels for entry. So I think this level is going to be good. Yeah. Let's watch out for, what's the time? Got 2 minutes to time in on NZDJPY. Let's still look at that guy. All right. So, yeah, I like this. I like this area. This area is going to be beautiful for a sell. Yeah, but it might take a while. So, but I'll drop an alarm there. But if it goes down, this area is going to be beautiful. If it keeps going down, then this area is going to be beautiful. So I'll just drop an alarm here to lead us into this one. Okay. So yeah, now that I've done this, let me take questions. Say, can we get the parameters on gold, sir? I dropped it on the chart already. When you say parameters, it's either you did the live execution or you're waiting for the area that I dropped. If you click on the picture on the chart, you get it. Let's see, that's it. Yeah, it hasn't moved. It's moving. Yeah, it's still within. If you are you talking about the scalp parameter? It's crazy. Did only 1-to-1. I came back. That's why I don't like scalping. Scalping is like not my kind of thing. So it's still within that spot, consolidating. So it's either it comes to our areas that we love. So this is the area 2641.7 or 2634.15. Okay. These are the buy areas that I'm looking for on gold. That was before. So okay, I answered already. Okay, good. German 30, FDAX 40, and all the rest. Why do they all have the same entry positions? Because they are the same currency. German 30 is the same currency with FDAX is with some you just see German, some you see some brokers have it as GDAXY. Yeah, some brokers have it as GDAXY. So yeah, but they're all the same currencies. But maybe depending on the broker, maybe on their spread, okay, on their listing, you may have just slight differences on price, but they are all the same currency. So you jumped my question. Okay, I'm still looking. I'm just looking as it's going. Okay, good. So there's a look. There's a took you maybe you made a mistake on that. The took that the English is. I'm trying to replicate, but I can't find it. There's a took a tool. I believe you want to say a tool. There's a tool you use to do what? Okay, discount. Okay, when you go on Gann and Fibonacci tools, that is it. Okay, Gann and Fibonacci tools. You go, it's called Gann box. Just search out for a Gann box. It's used for premium and discount. Okay, yeah. All right. Is that fine? Robert, did you get that? Have you found it? So NZ, yeah, okay, good. NZD USD is now coming. Neither is USD CAD JPY coming. Okay, so this guy is still consolidating. So I get, yes, you set it up. The moment this is, okay, when you click on it, okay, when you click on it, you do a setting. So what I did is that I removed every other thing. All right, when you go, you click a setting, because sometimes shows empty. So when you click on settings, coordinate visibility, okay, at the style, okay, good. So normally all these things are there, okay. So you could just take my settings right now. You could take a screenshot of the settings. That's what I use. So just to get a 50%, just a 50%, have you taken it? All right, that is what you use. It's used to measure premium and discount, which is one of the most important things in trading for you to set direction. Premium and discount and the understanding of liquidity. Okay. Understanding of liquidity. If you know that, and I thought about it, I think I give you guys idea on that on Monday. Okay, and that information has actually made us money. Okay. And there's something else. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Gordon. There's something else I'd like you guys to know also. So whilst we're looking at taking this opportunity, sometimes the opportunities in trading are not in the chart. They are in your character, your attitude. Okay. There is no way you will make money if you're afraid of making money. I need you guys to listen to me. You can't make money. The only people who are open to making miscellaneous, that's what we call, I love miscellaneous money. Because why? I spend money miscellaneously. How many of you spend money miscellaneously? How many of you love to spend money miscellaneously? All right? Put money on the chat. Whether you love it or not, you are going to spend miscellaneous money. And when you're spending it, most of you are not afraid to spend it. You just complain, but you're not afraid. Why are you being afraid to make miscellaneous money? Okay, if you're not open, money is an energy. Money is not a thing, it's an energy. Okay, and if you do not have the right energy to money, you can have a lot of money and still lose it if you have the wrong energy of money. You can have access to a lot of money and still lose it. See this trading environment. People will tell you, rich traders they will tell you, trading is not really a skill. Trading is life. If you understand life, you'll be a successful trader. Many people don't understand life. That is why, because trading is a mirror that looks at your life and tell you who you are. Okay? I'll repeat that again so that you understand. Trading is a mirror that looks at your life and tell you who you are. If you are a disciplined person, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, your results will reflect your personality in trading. Am I making sense? Now, there are certain things you can I tell you one thing? I can't teach you discipline. When you start out, you see discipline. You will see where you are on discipline. Discipline is a measure of self. It's not something that can be taught. It can only be caught. Experiences make you pull those attributes of discipline. If some certain things haven't happened to you, you may not buy into the level of discipline. So a lot of people, that's why don't feed your fears, explore them, because it will get you into an environment of discipline. Many of you can never be disciplined. Because why? Your personality that you've adapted over years has made you an unaware, indisciplined person. Some people are indisciplined, but they are not aware. That's the most dangerous aspect of indiscipline. I'm just giving you guys some vibe this morning that many of you don't know. Okay? First is when you grow, you will grow to a level you will not realize that you are indisciplined. That is when you cannot change it. But you know, some people don't even grow to a level to know that they are indisciplined. So they are just acting like they are moving forward, but they are actually running backwards. The result keeps circling on karma. All right. So I'll do that before I leave the session. Okay. So what you want to do, that's why I said it's very simple. See, one of the simplest thing or the simplest environment to become successful over a period of time and never lose success, okay, is in the environment of trading when you have access to two things. Number one, the right mentors. Number two, the right community. Write those two things down. Okay, what we do here every day, many of you take it for granted because the mindset, many of you have not realized the mindset of the wealthy, all right, and the skill set of the poor. Wealthy people don't have skill set. They have a mindset. Poor people have skill sets. That's why we have so many educated skill set people that are broke and poor. Success is just a mindset. I bet you there are a lot of people, you can have the most powerful skill sets. Without a mind, someone who has mindset with that skill set is going to be richer than you. Okay. So what is missing in a lot of people that they don't take advantage of opportunities like this or platform like this is because they don't have the right mindset. Am I making sense? So there's money to be made. Money is made every day. Okay. But the reason many of you are not making money is because why? You're afraid of making money. And that is why you can't learn discipline. That is why you cannot learn the mindset of success, because you are not giving yourself to the environment to take a hold of you. Okay. You are in the market, but you're outside of the market. So follow instructions. That's the key. Follow instructions to fail. I failed. So why can't you follow my instructions to fail better? If you don't take, I call the trade right now. If you don't take the trade, how are you going to learn it? Some of you are here, you come in day after day, you don't even have an account. But you have money to have an account, but you are looking for the perfect time to have an account because you're coaching yourself. You're telling yourself this is the right time. The mentor is telling you get in on the trade and experience the trade so that you can gain understanding. You're waiting for the perfect time to understand before you experience. Come on, who's teaching you? All right. Fund an account, open an account, fund it, start experiencing. Wake up. Okay. Wake up. So binary. I'm talking. Okay. But I'm trading. Because why? I'm a patient trader and I'm waiting for my opportunities. If you guys, oh, the trade is not coming, let me get off the session. Then you are the person that I'm actually talking about. Okay, the trade is going to come. We still have how many minutes? I said I have 35 minutes, probably 25 minutes more. 10:30, I'm going to be off here. Okay, I'm going to wait for a trade. Even if it's a position, I'm just going to wait for it and I'm going to take it. All right. But while I'm taking it, I'm educating and I'm helping you guys understand what you need to understand. Okay. So people don't wait. And some of you, let me tell you one of the things you're learning in trading. Can I continue on my conversations? Why? Can I continue? Put 5 on the chat if you guys want me to continue. Some of you, many people, I mentor a lot of people, okay, and I'm open to. I'm someone who learns from students, okay, to better my skill of mentorship. This is what a lot of students do. So that I'm saying this so that if you find yourself in this category, that's fine. Don't look for opportunities every day. Set opportunities every day. Put 100 if you got what I said. Every day when I wake up, I set opportunities. Trading is like setting traps. Okay. So it's either you are a hunter or you are the cage. Let me give you guys a wisdom many people won't tell you, but I have been there. You know, I found out that majority of traders, they make the mistake of trading like investors when they should be trading, okay, like people who want to leverage. Some of you are acting like investors. Because why? Investors taught you. But they never, I can't teach you the act of investing. Money will help you know how to invest. You cannot learn investing without having money. I'm telling you a blind, direct, blunt truth. When you don't have money, your opportunity should be leveraged, leverage, scale, leverage, scale. Don't behave. So many of you, can I even say this? We don't even understand. Okay. When we got started, what we're looking for, we got into the syndrome of looking for opportunities every day. All right. You're finding opportunities every day, but your size of equity you are doing two things wrong. I'll find another session, maybe on our crypto night. Probably on Thursday night, we're going to have crypto night and yes, FX and crypto. We're going to have a session on Thursday night. Okay, probably 11 p.m. on Thursday night. I'll send the flyer. Okay, we're really going to learn. You guys are really going to learn a lot of things on crypto, taking advantage of the crypto space, learning how to invest, then the right positioning in Forex, the Forex market. But I just want to give you guys this. While I have an alarm, so if my trade hits, I'm going to pass. No, okay. Two things you're doing wrong is if you don't have the right equity, don't trade like an investor. There are three things. There are three things you do in trading. Okay. Number one, you generate. Okay. Number two, you multiply. Then number three, all right, you stabilize. Okay. Generate, multiply, stabilize. The generation phase is the key phase for people who are not investors. What are you looking for? Look for positions to allow your simple money make simple money for you. That is simple plus simple equal multiplication. When you have equities less than $500 and that equity is a hard-bond equity, look for simple plus simple. Simple opportunities to just grow it simply. Don't look for aggravated ways to use that $500 to make $500. It's dangerous because why? You are using the system of investors. They can take, I have $10,000. I can take a $500. I can open a $500 account and I can set a standard lot size. Find a position. It won't hurt me if I lose $500. But that is multiplication. Because why? I'm taking a fraction of what I own to duplicate the skill that I know. And I have no fear because I am not losing. I am strategizing. So many of you, you have your account and you are strategizing. Who gave you the right to strategize? Your funds do not give you the right to strategize. So you're doing two things wrong. Wrong equity, wrong strategy. Am I making sense to someone? I mean, if you still want to hear the next version of what I'm saying. Because the result will show. You have small money, but you're doing big things. And you do not have the heart and the leverage to take big fallouts. And you're losing time. For that attitude, you're losing time. So that's why 2025, I really want to focus on what will help traders. Leverage, find these signals, these small signals. See, I have a friend here right now. When we talk, he knows how to trade. He could be on his own. But anytime he connects, you see Kendrick. See, he is not in the category of looking for money. He's stabilized. But he's been in the position of, you have a system that works. Let me just leverage over it. Don't rewrite the wheels. Who's going to give you a crown? Leverage. If you guys have been leveraging since we started this opportunity, just put an account and you just went German 30. Oh, USD. Do you know I've been accurate on gold over 90%? And it's every trade I call, I'm a swing trader. It's nothing less than 500 pips when we hit positions. If you are just present on the calls and you're just taking this position, you would probably by now be over 50 or 60% over the last month. If you are that's simple plus simple. Don't over leverage. I just asked my wife right now, open an account for her, all right? But that's a proper account. And she told me how much she has made from the signals we are sending. I said, wow, go place withdrawal right now. Told my brother-in-law as well, go close the trades and go and place withdrawals. What are you talking about? Just by leverage. There's no excuse. Because what? Just keep, and guess what? They kept it simple, following instructions. I told them the lot size to use, meaningless lot size, but they've done just by leverage. Every day, wake up, take the trade. Okay, GUEU, copy paste. You have no emotions. Don't attach an emotion. Don't even look at the chart. Don't tell yourself, is this trade going to go? Just take it. If they call another one, take it. All right, they are done. They are done. That is simple plus simple. Don't complicate it. Then focus your energy. You can't use your same energy you're using to learn to earn money. It's very dangerous. You will not concentrate. Man, this guy is pulling up. Okay, so this guy is not trying to give us opportunity here right now. This guy's not trying to give us opportunity here right now. Okay. All right. So, okay. This guy's going down. So it's giving me more time to just communicate. All right. Are you guys getting value? Put value in the chat. So I'm just trying to tell you what you should do. Okay. Bring your, if you call it hard-earned money, okay, don't trade it like an investor, just leverage. Leverage for the next 3 months. Okay. As you're leveraging, so you got to a position you break even. You cannot take a portion of that money, open an account to multiply. So what's multiplying? Over the time you're leveraging, you must have learned something that you know out of data that works. Then scale up your leverage. So if you're using a 1% risk, now move it to 4%. From the profit you have made from leverage, that is multiplication. This is when you now begin to strategize. I'm telling you the key in trading. You could use one account from leverage to multiplication. And you can now begin to acquire funds that you can now stabilize. Stop playing the game of the rich when you're just trying to be rich. Am I making sense? Put sense on the chat. This was just the one-off for you guys who can listen. Some of you, you're playing with your hard-earned currency. You can make money by leverage. Stop trying to take your own trades when you do not have a data of your trade being consistent. It is gambling. You're taking trades on your own when you're not trying to experience. You're trying to make money, but you do not have a data that you have made money or you're capable of making money. Now you have people who are making money, you're missing out on position, but you're taking your own trade. That is irrelevant disobedience. Am I making sense? Okay? You can make money, just do things the right way. Okay? Do things the right way. There are strategies. Just a strategy session can change the way you do things. Okay? There's a lot coming. There's a lot coming. If you want to learn, there's a lot. There's a lot of room for you guys to learn. If you want to earn, there's a lot. Some of you should have a gold account. So there's some of you, well, some of the time I make the mistake of talking to people who are leveraging, but there are some of you who have money, but you're scared. Let me say this one word. It will sharpen you up. It's a thing that I and my wife has mastered. Okay? It helps us take action when we need to take action. So let's say right now, wherever position you have $1,000. Okay? And maybe you earned $1,000. It's sitting in your account right now, and you are in between decisions of what to use $1,000 for. Let me help you. In the next 2 months, you will not have $1,000. You got what I said? Procrastination is the mother of all. It's a killer of destiny. So what I do is, what is this $1,000 for? What is this $10,000 for? Okay. If I'm not buying something, I'm investing something. If it's not for food, it's for investment. Okay. I'm not storing money to use it. So there is already an account for family needs and consumption, miscellaneous, and there's a trading account that feeds that. But if some money comes, it's investing. If you don't invest the money you have right now, in 2 months' time, some of you in 2 weeks, some of you maybe 3 months, depending on how your lifestyle is, you won't have it. So the question is, what did you use it for? Let it count today. All right. That's what those of you who are holding money. You're holding money and you're trying to make decisions holding money. Let the money be working while you're making decisions. Okay. Does that make sense? Any questions so far? But I just want to take a couple of minutes. Since our market is not okay, you know what I would do? Just a moment. Any questions? So first, any question on the market that I'm giving you guys? Any question? All right, you guys are all set for the next move in the market, right? From gold. So I gave you positions on gold. Okay, so I gave you positions on gold. I gave you positions on gold. I gave you guys positions on USD JPY that if it comes here, I'm going to sell, or if it comes here, I'm going to sell. I'm telling you what I am looking for. In USD JPY, I'm looking for sells. Okay. But the market is exhausted. I'm waiting for it to gain momentum for another level. So for those of you that are buying against for technical, this is a buy position, but the market is on premium on daily and weekly. So which means it has the fair position to fall. If the weekly traders have already taken it, all right. So market is on, you can see it's on premium. There's a whole level of liquidity here. There's no, see, market is liquidity after liquidity. Okay, if I put a liquidity measurement of this market, let's see, market sessions. Let's see, some of you don't know this too, but let's look at something. Has it opened? Slowly. Oh, what happened? It's not loaded. Let me refresh. Market is liquidity after market is on the present state. Where the market is right now, strong liquidity on gold. Okay, so let me show you guys something. I'm gonna get out of here soon. Okay, good. So let's do this. I opened this. Okay, good. Guys, can you see? On gold, there are strong on the 5 minutes. Strongly. No. I'm looking at USD JPY. Was I looking at gold? Or what was I looking at gold before? I was looking at USD JPY. All right, good. So let's look at this right now. Why is it not showing on USD JPY? Maybe this broker doesn't accept. Well, let me check something else. I'm just trying to understand why it's not showing. Okay, I think it's now selecting. Okay, so if you're not showing, okay, all right, I'll respect you. Okay, some things are not showing on this currency. I don't know if it's the broker. All right, but what I was trying to explain is if you're on a smaller time frame, you should be buying right now. Okay, but where you're going to put your stop loss, if you're buying this level, so if you're someone who's just looking for technical approach and you're using the 1 hour, okay, this market is on the buy range right now, okay, and it can buy actually, okay. But market is about making decision. If I'm buying here, the range level is from here to here. So if I'm buying this level, so this is a liquidity run, it's from here to here, okay. Yeah, if I'm buying this level, it has a sharp liquidity drive. So this is good. If I'm buying here right now, giving it how many pips? This is about 110 pips, okay. Push it up a little bit. That is about 90 pips to get 335 pips. That's quite good. 1-to-1 is around, yeah, this is 1-to-1. So you can take a first TP here. This is a good trade for a market execution on technical trading on this market, okay. But that is because you're looking at this market with a day trading attribute. Because why? This market on an overall daily, okay, is on premium. All right. The market is on premium. On a strong time frame, market is on premium. That's why I love to look at market from range to range. So it helps me know how to invest. Okay. So if I'm looking at this market from this level or this level to this level, you have to look at where did market come from? From where it came from, what journey has it accomplished? Has it gotten to 50% of the journey? Because 50% of the journey is a major reversal. So if I'm looking at this market from this standpoint to this standpoint, okay, from here to here, this is 50%. It means it still have the power to go down, okay? And if I'm putting a GAN box, which is premium, to just see my levels of premium or discount, you can see from this level where this market came from to this level, market is sitting on premium. Premium means area where those either supplier or demanders or buyers or sellers have power. On premium, sellers have power. On discount, buyers have power based on liquidity run. Even the people who put the major money, they follow this sequence in the market. Okay, so it means I should overall trade. If I'm swinging, I should be looking for what? A sell. If I'm swinging, so what am I doing? What did I do? I gave you guys a position of a sell. This is a sell position, still on premium. This is a sell position, still on premium. Okay, but if that is not the case, you're just look at what you see and trade what you see. This is a position for a buy. I'm giving you guys now. Okay, there's no bad in experiencing. So if you're going to sell Camry, which means I can buy up here to sell, yeah, fine, you can do that. Okay, I'm only saying I'm not trading it because why? I am respecting my direction of the market. Does that make sense? But there's a buy, there's a market execution on USD JPY right now. Stop loss, this is it. Take profit one, this is it. Okay, you can take profit one at 152.165 and TP2 at 153.427 and TP3 at 154.703. Okay, does that make sense? So I also now give you guys a USD JPY trade for a buy. Okay, amen. Any question on that? Put 100 on the chat. Okay, this guy doing? What's the time? I have 15 more minutes. Let's see this guy. I think we may have a trade. Don't stop following instructions. Okay, so far so good. This guy is, I don't like one candle. I don't like taking, we take reversals. So one candle is not my thing. Okay. So if the next candle pulls up to this area, I'm going to be looking at the 920 CAD JPY. That's a binary. Yeah, it's also going to be good. I may take my first entry from 857 to 867 area. CAD JPY, where are you? Eight 857. Okay. Alarm open. It's coming. CAD JPY is good. Market is good. CAD JPY is good. CAD CHF should still be selling. Yeah, it's a double entry. As in, it's a level entry on card CHF. $8.23 to $8.38. These levels are good. $8.38 most likely. It's a repetition entry. I like the setup is really good. Okay, so these guys are going back. It's not looking good. Are you running away? Are you being arrogant? So we have the next 12 minutes for our last entry. If it doesn't come to us within this timeline, we're done for the day. So let's look out for, if it's just one trade, at least an extra $50 or $100 can make a difference for the day. Okay, someone asked earlier, I should do. So this is what I'm going to say. When I got started, the first thing that I did was tell you guys about the broker. So I don't really have to do it again. What you need to do is, so I talked about the beautiful features, okay, taking a trade. So it's actually, this session is actually recorded. It's on YouTube. Take your time, okay? First is you have opened an account. If you're not opening an account with this broker, you're not someone who's following instruction, okay? Because we're going to be doing a lot of things with this broker over the next couple of months. And if you're not trading with this broker, you're going to be missing out on opportunities, because some of the opportunities we're going to be doing is with those who have an account with this broker. All right. So because we want to try to make things easy for everyone. At the same time, we want to make people get access and value for their money. Okay. There are certain things we want to control that has been out of our control. But thank God we brought them into an environment where we have access to control. So I don't see any reason why anybody shouldn't be taking advantage of this. So I talked about trailing. I talked about taking the trade, setting your risk. You could put amount, or you could put just the same way you calculate your risk before you take a trade on other things before you can't take your trade. You could actually do all of them here. You could do all of them here. So let's say I want to take a trade on USD JP, Euro JPY. Okay. So like I want to take a trade. I just click maybe sell. I want to sell. I could put, all right, take profit. I could put stop loss, and I will put the amount I want to lose. I'll select the risk. I want to use a 0.02 and I put $50. It automatically just, you say, what did you say? Okay, sorry. $50. Yeah. So automatically it tells me what my stop loss is. And if I decide to put an area here, it's going to tell me how much I'm going to use because of, so it automatically helps you calculate risk before you even take the trade. You know, and after you take the trade, you could literally go set trailing stop. That's if I tell you, one of the things I love about in the broker, two things is the spread and the fact that we're trading the live market A-book. Okay, this is not in-house. It's not money in the back control within the house. This is directly sent to the raw market, because why? It's an A-book broker, only A-book, not a hybrid. It's an A-book direct broker. So everything is done here from the market, liquidity provider directly. As you take this trade sent. So that's why the spreads, everything are beautiful. All right, getting access to your money is on a fast lane. No people trying to process directly when you place a trade or withdraw. Is gotten liquidity provider, straight up money comes in. Okay, so there's no pool, and I love that. So the spreads are beautiful. They have, you know, one of the most able brokers always have some of the best competitive spread in the market. You know, because the moment it goes into B-book, they start factoring their profit level. They start giving you spread, slippage, all of those things. But this is just direct. Okay. Yeah, that's one of the things. And the fact that I can manage my process of trading directly from like trading view. I could do my setup here. I could take the trade while I'm trading. I could look at it. For those of you that are scalpers, you're watching your trade, this is really very good for you. Okay. You could close your position, multiple position. All right. Close, you can see here, close all position traders. You can manage that. It's so beautiful. I love it. One question someone asked me earlier is, I was trying to fund, minimum amount of funding is $100. Okay, so these are part of the activities with Able. You know, their activities are always higher. People can tell you it's fund with $1. Some brokers only $10, so it's okay. Money accumulation, but here, I believe you want to trade. So $100 is the minimum to fund. They have different funding methods from crypto to direct dollar funding. So yeah, if there is any question, you guys can actually type on the chat. I'll take it. Is it a new broker? All right, and who is the founder? So what if I tell you that we are the founder of the broker? Would that make you more positive? Okay. All right, it's owned by our very own. So you guys have been having an FX Live Trader-a-thon. Okay, so the people that are actually educating and trading with you, they are the owners of the broker. That's to tell you closure. We brought closure to you. So not only the truth is, I say this. So I've known Luke, okay. I knew Luke when I came into the IM Academy. He's been at his prime. He's been trading gold. So I know him before I knew him. I now know him having a broker. You know, one of the things brokers are known for is they won't want you to be profitable. I'm sitting here to tell you something. I don't really need to tell you this. One of the most, you get to a level in life, there is another thing you're looking for. It's not money because you already have money. Okay. And after you have money, you want more money. And if you get the position where more money is now open, there is one thing in life that makes sense to someone, mostly in this our industry, is relevance. Okay. So there are strategies for building relevance. Opening an academy, fine. What we do most of the time when an educator is at this prime, they have a mentorship system, that's fine. But the strategy here we're using that brought us together is we go in the environment of giving value, but we own a system where we don't have to use third parties. So give the value. So you can see, like I said, I know Luke. So Bobby is a friend of Luke. Bobby also was in the IM Academy. Okay, he actually was there first before Luke, educating and training. So mad trader, these are 7, 8, 9-figure income earners in the industry. Now, you come in to a class, what do you see? I've known him trading. He's trading live the same way he's been trading, giving the same value. All right. And he wants you to make money. That is why having an ebook makes sense. Because why? If it's B-book, then the money is coming into the pool. Then we'll do everything for you to fail while we make money. But this is not the case. We're using this leverage to build a community, let them have access to true value. Because one of the things that have killed a lot of traders in the market is the intermediary, okay? What you don't control. So now they decided to own the control, one of the system, then give the value. Okay? They own the system, then give the value. So we're building communities of people who want to learn how to trade, right? They trade on the platform and we're giving them, we're educating and mentoring them using our own platform, leveraging over the 1,000 Bank Expert Academy. We're taking this all out. So if you want to learn the skills, stay close, learn, be part of this. All right. Now you don't have an excuse that you're not getting paid. And there's so many incentives attached to that. You share that when you come on the session today around 2, you hear them directly from him. He says, sorry, English is not so good. Did I understand correctly? This is your, no, this broker is owned, all right, by Bobby and Luke. So we are first generation partners. Okay. I could say we're stakeholders. And I love it. All right. So if you guys want to build yourself up, build yourself through incentive, build yourself. This, you know, normally I could say this. I've always been saying this. All right. I've always been saying, I'm not someone who advocates for brokers. It's never really been my thing. But this is I would say, in all of the experiences, I've gotten close to channeling my effort into, okay, telling you what it is that I use. But this is not any of that type of my attitude. Okay. So the vision of 1,000 banks align with the vision of FX Live. Okay, from the back end, we have the same vision, building community through education and liberation. And we have a system to that. All right. And one of the major challenges for us here over in Africa is we may have communities all over the world, but broker becomes a challenge. Now, broker works in Nigeria, works in the United States, works in every major part of the world. I think there's just only one country that doesn't work. All right. Yeah. So there is no limit to our students to be in one community. That's the whole idea. One community, one trading, just imagine we all make. If you make money, you're not taking it from Luke. So that is if you guys don't have an idea about a broker, many brokers, when you make money, you're taking it from the broker. When you make money in the market, all right, you make money directly from the liquidity provider. Okay. So he can educate you to make money, that's why we can trade live and we're making money, because it doesn't affect him. Okay. So it doesn't affect him. And that's why I love the relationship. So everything you're set to make from this platform, from helping other people get in, and that's leverage. That's another opportunity to leverage and earn money. Some of you are not taking advantage. I made my first 6-figure income through leverage. Okay. Because you should be looking at leverage. What can make you money right now? Through communities, through people. Find out a credible one. Okay. We've done one that we've been arrested several times. Okay. We've paid the price for ignorance. But I tell you the truth. Fail. If you don't fail, you don't learn some certain things. But the beautiful way to fail and fail safely is fail with successful instruction, or instruction from successful people. All right. So get people who are interested in trading. Tell them about this opportunity. When they get involved, you get paid. All right. There's a big opportunity in trading. I can't tell. I'm not the kind of person who like to tell it on screen like this. So what I normally do is, people who listen to me, I tell them. But I am bold to tell you guys that some of you here who would listen to me, you probably be in the next 3 months, if you take advantage of what it is we are launching, you're going to be getting on your system, and you're seeing $300, $400, $500 logged into your platform just by taking advantage of this message I'm sharing with you. It's crazy. All right. But are you set up? Are you set up right now? I gave an instruction on Monday. What do you need to do? Take action. Have you taken action? Have you registered? Have you found that? Okay. Have you told your friends about this opportunity? Let them come see what it is we're doing every day. I just give you guys opportunities to make money. If you have 10 friends here who saw this and they took advantage of what it is, and they placed trade, they either make money or testify. And guess what? They're going to tell their friends, it is you. You've set your money in motion. So you're struggling to fund. What's the challenge, Chacha? Are you funding less than $100? I can actually help you fund live here right now. Okay. So can I help you do that live? Where are you? What location are you? England. Okay. If you are in England, if you were in Nigeria, I'll just tell you, send me Naira, fund directly USDT for you. So what method are you using to fund? Open your mic, talk to me, it makes it faster so that you're not typing. Yeah. What method are you using to fund? You're putting your card. Chacha, talk to me. Start trading, don't come. The market can be slow. This period market, I can't, you can't unmute. No, you should be able to. I think okay. Someone. Yeah. So our time is done. This is the last thing I'm going to do if I get out. You see, you will have to do it. Okay. Now the thing is, I am from Germany. Can I also open an account? Try it. Try. Just click on the link. We'll drop the link on the group already. someone can type the link, drop the link on the chat. Click the link, try registration. I don't know if the country is Germany. Germany is also another stronghold for, let me drop the link so that you do the registration and let me know right now if you get access. It's actually very easy. Okay, you have the link. Okay, good. So just click on it and try your registration and let me know what happens. Chacha, what are you saying? Your voice, I couldn't hear you.
Hello, good morning. I
Yeah,
was
good
saying
morning.
that I actually tried to fund the account and the pop-up message was that there was an error. I don't know where the error came from.
What
Because
method were you using to?
I tried, hold on, please let me open it again. I tried the deposit wire that's on the left-hand side, and the error message was error while processing deposits. The remote server returned an error. Then in brackets 400 by request. I don't know why that came up.
Okay, this is what I want you to do right now. Click crypto, deposit via crypto. Are you on the system now?
No, let me log in because I just had a screenshot of the pop-up message. Let me try to log in.
Okay, so you click deposit via crypto. If it doesn't give you that error, it means probably that wire you probably would use rather than wire. Most wire system doesn't have a back end setup, so it's either you're using card. Okay, so let's say I click on deposit right now. It's either you're using card. So this is okay. Wire withdraw crypto. Okay, just wire.
Sorry, please, my baby.
Yeah, that's. So if I click wire. Okay, so you see this, right?
Yeah.
Did you see this after clicking wire?
Yeah, yes, sorry. I'm not. I'm trying to, because I use the laptop. I'm trying to log in with my phone so that I can enter the link. Hold on, please.
Yeah, because the moment I click deposit wire right now, it showed this, which means this is all you need to send money to. Okay. That is if.
Okay, this message came up.
Okay.
So yeah, they said, so how do I can understand the account number, the routing number, how, and all these other things. How will I?
Okay, good. So if you have this, because this is a wire, it means you have to go to your bank and tell them you want to wire money to this account.
Oh, so I can't do it from my phone.
No, you can't. You can't, except you have yes, some internet banking can do that. I don't know how it works in UK. You said UK, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how it works, but if you have internet banking, you can actually send money. Okay, but charges and all, you have to factor that in. So what I just do is I love to do crypto. Crypto is very fast.
Okay.
Crypto is fast. You can actually get, what wallet do you have any wallet you use?
I have XRP set on Ledger. So I use Kraken.
Kraken. Okay, that's external ledger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, do you have any like blockchain, Coinbase, Binance? Do you have any of that?
No, the similar one is Kraken.
Okay, can you buy crypto from Kraken?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just go buy the amount of crypto. If you have your card set up there already, just buy the amount you want to fund. Okay, and
So
transfer.
what crypto am I buying? Am I
USDT? You can buy USDT.
USD?
You can select that. Let's say I want to fund $1,000 right now. Okay. I'll submit. So it's going to take me to, so you guys watch this out. So it will take me to the coin I want to use. I love USDT. So you just come on and you say Theta. All right. So $1,000. So I select this. So it brings the amount I'm going to pay. Yeah, this is the wallet address. So I'm using what this number is. I think I'm using I selected This is EROT. Let me go back. I always like TROC. So because I have TRC, I actually have all of them anyway. Or I could use anyone, but TRC is faster. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Bybit is another one I was going to say. Since you said you already have, I was going to tell you to get Bybit. Very easy. Set it up. You can buy crypto, put your card, buy crypto, get you can do peer-to-peer. All right. On Bybit. But if you have already a wallet you use on, if it's good, you get you've already used Kraken before, your money is already there, you've set up a system there, fine, get. But I'm just trying to show you how you get your. Let's go back. So $1,000 submit. Select the payment. Theta, where are you again? Okay, it's gonna ask me to select the network. So I love this. This is TRX. So boom. All I need to do is copy this, put this amount, 1,003. Okay, and I go make payment. That's it. A copy. Does that make sense? So you copy, you go make, or you can scan with your device, go make payments. Quite easy. Within seconds, your money is gonna land.
Okay, I'll try
Is that help? Okay, what you can do is just you message me on Instagram.
Okay.
If you're having any challenge, just message me on Instagram, help you out.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right. You know my Instagram, right?
Of course I do.
Okay, guys, that's about our time today. It's been a wonderful session. On Thursday night, we're going to have a special session, and we're going to have a tweet session. Okay, I'm going to be bringing one of my friends to tell you guys some history. He's actually here. Time is already gone. I would have brought him on to tell you guys some history about this journey we have, this opportunity we have. I may be at the forefront running things right now, but somehow you guys have no idea. Okay. You guys have no idea. How you do anything is how you do everything. I wouldn't be sitting here today if I didn't have a certain mindset. And somehow, you guys only listen. But I've been in the shoe where I listen. And I've been in the shoes where I've listened with other people. So by Thursday night, by the grace of God, we're going to be having a session. You guys shouldn't miss that session. Okay, it's going to help you guys a lot mentally, physically, investor wisely. Okay, some of you are going to now know your next point of investment that's going to bring you to multiple 4 figures or 5 figures over the next 1 or 2 years just by investing. There are vast opportunities for you guys to capitalize on. Money is not the problem. Okay. So God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you guys on the next session to earn more money live on Gold with Mr. Gold himself. Luke Longmire is going to be on. Bobby Tatron is going to also be on. I believe Gary will also be on today. Just fund an account. If you guys need help, reach out to me on Instagram. I could give you a personal guide to how you take this journey to the next level. Stop taking actions on your own. All right. When you have money, don't take money decisions. Let your coach, your mentor help you on your next money decisions. Because if you're taking your money decisions by yourself, you end up where you've always been. God bless each and every